Dave here, that foreign bloke, you know what I'm telling you, at Lotus. Lotus is, as you can see, it's Sunday, 20-something of March, I can't remember, but it's the week before Easter, 24th maybe, Sunday before Easter. Anyway, we've come down, we're on our way to the house, but we're going to get a couple of bits and have a look at a new gas stove top for the house there. The one I went to buy, bought the gas for the other day. It's pretty knackered. I mean, we got it about 10 years or more, so it's time we bought a new one. It's a bit dangerous now. So here we are in Lotus, and there's a lot of people in KFC. Right, I've found a stove top outside in Lotus, but we came into Mr. DIY. We need to get a couple of things and to get some of these. I've got them at the house, at the farm, but I needed some at the house because Joe's got an annoying hose pipe that won't stay on, so I forgot to take them, so I said buy a packet of Jubilee clip type things to fix that hose. Okay, we're up at the house at last, and that's what we got, a stove top. So I'll get that changed in a minute. Gonna check on the pups. The puppy doggies. Puppy doggies. Oh, puppy doggies. Right, Jubilee clip applied. Hopefully that'll be the end of Joe getting in a tizzy over the hose pipe not staying on. I haven't got the things for the pump, the thing at the bottom. I don't know what it's called, but you know, there's a thing at the bottom of the pipe that I need to buy, but I haven't found one this morning, so another day for that, I think. I'm thinking about going over to the restaurant at the back here and getting some duck noodles. I've been thinking about it for like 3 days, but today I'm definitely thinking about it. Okay. Not sure whether you can see the flame, but it's all working. It's a hot one. Dark Maya's having a bit of a wallow in a tub to cool down. Right, I'm going to the restaurant at the back of the house for something to eat before they close. There we go, duck noodles. Okay, that was very nice. Back to the house, which is only there. When I'm doing jobs in the garden here, there's always a lovely smell wafting over from there. And yeah, I was ready for some duck noodles. It's been quite a while since I had some there. And I go back, see how Joe's getting on. She's doing the dog cage with the blocks, so see how she's doing. Good morning, Monday, Easter week, and oh, it's hot this morning. Not sure what's on the cards today. I've got to work obviously, and I've got quite a few things to do. My colleague is on holiday since Thursday, Friday last week and all this week, so I've got a couple of things to do before it's time for me to take my Easter break, but I think we may be going back to the house to carry on the jobs there. We've been there every day for the last 5 days, I think, and Jan wants to check on the puppies and stuff, so I shall show you as and when. But yeah, it's a hot sunny day today. Right, we are out and about. We just stopped to buy some more concrete blocks just down the road there, and the house is just here. And this place, yeah, we haven't been for a long time because we never seem to be in this part and never at the house. But I wanted to stop because I like their pad thai, so that's what we're doing. Jazz been to get the ice. Pad thai. Yeah, good pad thai. That's very nice. There's the blocks there, I bought more. I think we need another 13, so I got 15 more, so I can smash up a couple. Anyway, I'm going to have to start work in a minute, but and I've got quite a lot to do. But just checking on the puppies. All good with them. I was busy on a dog kennel. Oh, one's back. Well, it's a beautiful evening tonight. It's very warm still. It's getting on about 7:15, 7:45 now, but we have an almost full moon. I think it's a full moon, actually. It was full moon yesterday. So it's very light. I'm walking up and down the lane having a bit of exercise. It's my lunch hour. I've got a work meeting now just after 8 o'clock, which I try and avoid having meetings after my break, but because I get a bit late and I get a bit tired. But anyway, yeah, I was just walking up and down, and I thought, yeah, what a lovely night. I can see very clearly by the light of the moon. So and it's still, and you can hear all the crickets and things. Life at Brown Swan. Good morning, Tuesday morning. We are at the new little macro. Need some more dog food and one or two things. Okay, all done in there. Bought a load of dog meat to cook up. I'm going to cook and then put some of it in the freezer so that Joe's niece, another niece, will take care of the dogs at the farm while we're away. She can just take out when it's almost run out and just let it thaw out, but it's ready to eat. Right, next stop. Right, we stopped to do a few errands, but we're back now, just in time for a thunderstorm. It's banging and crashing and flashing. There has been rain, but it's just light at the minute. You can't see it, but it's certainly some bangs nearby. Oh, there was a flash. Now, I'm not sure if that flash of lightning showed up on camera, but I've just looked at the... Now the rain's coming. I've just looked at the footage and I couldn't see it myself, but I saw it clearly through the door. Anyway, I'm hoping that there's not going to be a power cut, because that's usually what happens when this sort of weather. Because I need to start working. It's exactly 2 o'clock and I've got quite a bit to do. I'm just going to show you what I'm up to. I did obviously show you that we went to macro earlier, and then I've been busy pretty much since then. I'm not feeling very good, but if you can see, cooking. What we're cooking are all this chicken. There's a load already done in the kitchen, but basically this is chicken for the dogs, chicken carcasses. In the pan now is chicken necks. That's the pups eat the chicken necks, but these carcasses got loads of meat and the neck and what have you on them. This is what the dogs here eat, along with rice and some dog biscuit things. So we're preparing for not being here. We're still not sure what we're doing over the Easter, but potentially we're away for 6 days. So I need to prepare food from now until next Wednesday morning. So there's food for Wednesday morning. Assuming we take our flight back that's booked, we won't be back till late Tuesday night. Alright, good morning, Wednesday morning. Very humid today. Rained on and off all evening. Not heavy, but you know, enough to make it very humid. So yeah, it's hot, it's humid. It's Wednesday, it's the last day I'm working before my Easter break. I'll have 7 days off. Thursday to Wednesday. Back in work Thursday, a week tomorrow. We're still not sure what we're doing yet, whether we will manage to make our flight tomorrow morning or not, and once we if and when we make that flight, what we're doing after that. toying with the idea of possibly staying in Bangkok for 6 days, which, having just been in Bangkok for 2 days and been absolutely worn out, might seem a bit strange, but looking at staying outside the main drag, a little bit off, somewhere quiet and just chilling out really. I mean, the trip for my birthday stroke, leaving my passport in, was a rush trip. It was going to be a one-off kind of thing, so I wanted to do shopping, I wanted to go here, I wanted to go there. But this would be more like basically just chilling right out. So we shall see what we do, and you're going to have to stay tuned to find out. Guys, good morning. Thursday, Easter weekend starts today, Monday, Thursday. That was a live feed from Flight Radar 24 showing the flight that we're booked on today, having just already left Udon Thani. So as you can see, we're not on it. Decided last night we weren't going to catch that flight. Just not feeling well at all this week, and it's a problem for me because my business partner, my colleague of 20 years, is on holiday this week. There's more pressure on me, and I cannot deal with stress now since I had my stroke, and makes me feel unwell, and I kind of have less time to rest between things coming up. So I've just found it a bit too much, and I just couldn't face what is quite a hassle, getting up very early, rushing to the airport, flying down, rushing to catch a bus, sitting on a bus, rushing to the boat, which is always such a hassle getting to Koh Samet on the boat. It's always such a chaotic scene. So decided, no, I don't want to do that. Did think about going down to Bangkok anyway, but decided that we'd perhaps leave it for a day or two, when we may get down and just go around to Bangkok or somewhere else in a day or two. But for the time being, I'm just going to take it easy. I'm off now for 7 days, and apart from losing money on things that I've already booked, you know, there's no point in stressing, so I'm not stressing. So that's what I'm doing. I'm still on the farm. The flight's left without us. I'm not bothered. Well, I'm a bit bothered, but you know, it is what it is. He's out now. Following Jo to the workshop here. She's going to get a moped serviced. Okay, we dropped off the moped, and now we've come to Big C to do some grocery shopping. Not sure when we're going to go, if we're going to go, but we're out of just about everything now because we were going to go today, so we need to get some stuff in.
นี่ลูกเกดนี่ชมพูอารยานี่ทั่วดำเอ้ย
Well, the puppies seem to be doing well. Jo's just giving Mama some extra food, extra nourishment. I've just given her a vitamin that we got from the vet, so she's getting vitamins and keeping her healthy so she can nourish her pups. But everything looks fine and dandy. So once Jo's done with them, we will be heading back to the farm. Good morning, Good Friday. Not sure if it's a good Friday or not, but it is Good Friday. Very late, it's almost 10 o'clock, and I only now come out with the dogs. Really slow at the minute. I just can't get up, just can't get going. Just have a sort of a thumping head, and so lethargic, it's really difficult. But anyway, I'm up taking the dogs out. I just made their dinner first, or their breakfast, so that they've got food when I come back. And now I'm taking them out. Right, Good Friday lunchtime. We've come out for a bit of I don't know what we're doing, why we're doing it, But we're going into Central Plaza. I am not feeling very well at all, and I'm hoping that it's air conditioning. I mean, I've been sat in the aircon all day at the farm, but I just I don't know what to do really. Alright, bit of shopping. I've just bought myself a new pair of Crocs. They only had light grey, which is not really the colour I want for on the farm, but better than nothing, because my I'm not really wanting to wear them, to be honest with you, flippy floppy type things, but we're in and out so often that I need to have something like that. So that's what I've got, new Crocs. As you can see, I went to Yamazaki, but it was very busy. But I got my bread, and now I am feeling like I don't know what. So I'm not sure what we're going to do now. Maybe go home, unless Joe wants to eat. It's hot out here. It's quite nice in there with the aircon, but it's a very hot one. Right, Super Parkland, where you have to double park. Joe's gone in, running in to get flea drops for the animals at the farm. Like I say, it's always a double parking situation here. There's never a parking spot, so I never get to go in there, but hopefully she'll be in and out before the police come and move us on, because they do usually, more so in the morning than in the afternoon. Anyway, she comes. Okay, back at the farm. Here are my new Crocs. I did say I was not going to wear Crocs anymore because of the pain in my feet, but there you go. I wear them all the time outside here on the farm because I'm in and out and I have to keep kicking my shoes on and off, and I don't like flip-flops. Just having a lie down just at the right time as the rain's about to start, as you can possibly hear. It's gone very dark and it's only 3 o'clock. I might have to get up and have a look at what the weather's doing. It's getting very wet outside. It's pretty heavy. That kind of disturbed my rest, but never mind. At least the rain won't do any harm. Well, it's Good Friday evening. Me and the cat. I sat listening to the more alarm over there, and I decided to have a bottle of beer. I've done my walk in my steps. I felt a bit better after that. Not feeling great, but I decided it's Good Friday and it's Easter and I want to have a beer, so that's what I'm having. So cheers everybody. Let's see what the rest of Easter weekend brings. Oh, I can't beat it. Alright, good morning, Saturday, Easter Saturday. And I'm taking you into the duck shed because we have baby ducks. New ducks have arrived. Not these ones, obviously. There you go. 9 little ducklings. Mommy duck's very hungry because she's been sitting for weeks and guarding her little baby eggs, and now baby ducks. So there you go, baby ducks again. I think that takes our total up to 42 ducks at the minute now. We started off with, well, we had 2 males and then that's all that was left, and then we got 2 females last about a year ago. So, and now we're up from those original 4, we're now up to 42. So yeah, and I mean we've obviously thinned out the herd or the flock, and some have died and some have been given away and what have you. So yeah, ducks are prospering at Banswan. Right, we are at the Udontani train station. Basically I've been thinking about taking the train somewhere, but I'm not sure because of the limitations of the train here. So we're having a bit of a day out, a bit of a trip, testing it out, and we're gonna just go about an hour south from here, an hour or so, and then come back. Right, we've got our tickets and wait for the train. Bit of a new experience going on the train for me in Thailand, because I've never done it apart from on the trains in Bangkok. So, alright, we've got some snacks. John's got a cup noodle, so we won't starve to death. There's the train up there. Okay, Nakamura. Right, the train is finally approaching, slowly. We're off. I think we're sitting in a place that's reserved for disabled people and monks, so we might have to move. Up that road is Big C and Cheese to Meet You and Macro. Right, we are on our way out from the centre of Udontani. Okay now. Pulling out from the first station stop, a small station on the outside of Udontani. It's quite, this train stops at all the stations between here and Nampong where we're going to get off, but the train coming back is a different sort of train, an express, and that only stops about 3 times on the way back. Alright, just bought some fruit, mango and Magpalang. Okay. Plenty of sellers have come through the train already with their wares. So yeah. Seems like they're laying down an extra track. They are going to make the track double all the way to Nong Khai, so that new one there seemed to fork off and branch off a little bit further back, so that might be the second of the because it's a single track line most of the way. It stopped at Kumpalapi. Epic journey. Talk about this nice chap's just come on with grilled chicken and sticky rice. Yeah, so got us chicken and rice here. This grilled chicken and 2 portions of sticky rice was 90 baht. Well, the chicken was very good, and for 90 baht, a whole chicken and 2 cow now, that was a very good deal, I thought. Anyway, we're not far from Nampong now. We're about to stop in Khao San Kwan, which is where I was going to stop, but the train back doesn't stop there, so we'd have to be there till much later. So Khao San Kwan is famous for grilled chicken. So with drinks and various things here in Khao San Kwan. Right, okay, we are here in Nampong. So we just got down off the train here. There goes our train. Yeah, we're in Nampong. It's in Khon Kaen province, not far outside of Khon Kaen. And the reason we came here was it was somewhere where we could do a return trip easily enough over the course of the day. So that's what we did. It's a big old tree. Been here a long time, I think. 2 of them. Nice shade. Right, we're just going to have a bit of a walk around. We bought our return tickets, this time in 2nd class with aircon. The ticket down was 18 baht in 3rd class, but we're going back in aircon for 101 baht per person. Still a bargain. I'm not sure we're going to find anything much, but we'll have a bit of a look here in Nampong. Nampong is famous for its river, but we're too far away from it for that. Not to make it in time. Government Savings Bank and Post Office. Can't find any cafes or anything like that, or somewhere to get something to refresh us. An iced tea would be nice. Right, we found a little cafe. We've ordered some lemon tea and iced coffee for Jar, so we sit in the shade and cool down. Right, well, that was nice. We sat and drank our coffee, and the ladies nattered. Now we stopped at this shop. I was looking at the clothes in this clothes shop, and we're on our way back to the station. There's the little station. We have to walk over the tracks to get to the platform. But there's no risk of a train coming and running us over. There aren't many trains per day. There are goods trains though. There was a goods train waiting in Udon to go up towards Nong Khai when we were at the station. It's very hot though now. So it's probably nice that we got air conditioning on the way back, just to try out the air conditioned carriage as well. Then we've got something to compare. There comes our train back. I'm not sure whether this is any better than the 3rd class, to be honest with you. It's not cold like aircon cold, but There's the fan blowing as well. Alright, we're almost back in Udontani. We've just crossed the ring road, so we won't be many minutes and we will be at our destination. Right, here we are back in Udontani. The day's trip is done, so we're going to go and find our car, which is parked outside it. Lots of motorcycle taxis and tuk-tuk samlors touting for business outside. It's very busy, and of course in the evening this is the UD town, but we're not going there. We're parked down here and we're heading back to the farm. But it was nice to get out and have a trip out. I mean, we should have been away really, but next best thing. I just stopped at the world's smallest market on the way home here in Nakwang. Got myself some fried chicken and a piece of cake, but Joe don't know what she's going to eat because there's hardly anything to buy at this market these days. There you go. Back on the farm after a little day out. Yeah, it was quite nice. It was a bit hot, of course, but you know, it's hot everywhere. Anything you do at the moment, this time of the year. But yeah, nice little trip out. We just I wanted to try out the train. I've not been anywhere on the train since I said in Thailand, so a trip on the train down to Nampong, and just a little look around, quick cup of coffee. Well, I had tea, iced tea, and then back to Udontani on the faster express train in second class with aircon. It was I didn't film much of that because it was a bit dirty, the windows, and hard to see out. They were sort of tinted as well, but that was it. That was our little day out. It's all we've managed to do lately, but it was enjoyable for me because I haven't felt like doing anything, so all's good. Now I'm out walking, I'm on the farm, but I'm trying to get my steps in. It's still very hot, about 35 still, although the sun's just going down over the trees over there, so hopefully it'll drop a degree or two, but yeah, it's hot. Guys, a very happy Easter to you all. Easter Sunday. I'm very late again. Couldn't get up this morning. Didn't feel well in the night. So today I'm not sure what's going to happen, but it's Easter Sunday, so I don't have to work. I don't have to think about too much. Enjoyed my trip out yesterday on the train. I know it wasn't much, but because we've not been able to go as I'd planned, I did want to do something and go somewhere and just, you know, a change of scenery. Change is as good as a rest, as they say. So I enjoyed that. I do need to go to Bangkok and collect my passport. I have flights booked for Tuesday evening to come back, so they're in the equation still. Whether I go down tomorrow, fly down Tuesday morning, come back Tuesday, I don't know what I'm going to do yet, or whether I just knock them on the head and try for later on. I still got, I don't know, about 18-20 days to collect my passport, so I've still got time, but obviously it costs money, and I don't want to keep throwing away flights that I book in and then not using. So we shall see, but today's Easter. I think I'm just going to chill out here on the farm and try and get myself together and try and get this video edited, and that'll be that. I'm sorry it wasn't the epic adventure going away travelling video that I had been planning, but it is what it is. So thanks to everybody for watching. Thanks to those who support the channel through membership and or have bought me a coffee. Big thanks to the community for your nice comments and what have you. Please leave us a comment down below, give us a thumbs up, share the video, all that sort of stuff, and I'll catch you all on the next one, hopefully with a bit of something. Travel, you never know. Thanks a lot, bye for now.